If you have children, of course you want the best for them. You want them to be fit and be healthy. But as a parent, do you see your own children clearly? CNN senior medical correspondent Elizabeth Cohen shares some surprising new research along with some tips on how your kids develop healthy eating and exercise habits.
As a parent, you might think, well, I would know if my child were overweight, but it turns out according to
And you can log on to the American Academy of Pediatrics website at healthychildren.org. Get more tips there on how to establish good eating habits at an early age. This next story features a modern-day superhero, Australian James Harrison. He has literally saved millions of newborn babies' lives with his blood. We had the pleasure of meeting and interviewing the man with the golden arm. I'm excited to tell you his story.
On the surface,
James continues to donate blood weekly. And although you may not get the nickname, the man or woman with the golden arm, donating blood helps millions of patients in need. You can visit redcrossblood.org for more information.
For many brides-to-be, the stress and demands of wedding planning can take its toll on you emotionally or physically. So many women are now looking for fitness routines and nutrition plans specifically geared to the soon-to-be bride. And Karen Kaifa explores the wedding wellness trend.
This is the time of my life where I just want to feel and look my best.
Far beyond the big day. Karen Kaifa, CNN, Washington.
So looking good in your wedding pictures is great, but it's important to stick with a healthy lifestyle to really ensure the happily ever after. Maintaining a healthy diet and exercise regimen will contribute to a long life, hopefully with your special someone. Peace of mind, relaxation, stretch, and travel. Oh, come on. Do those three go together? Well, CNN's Rachel Crane reports on how to achieve an inner balance in flight with yoga. Are you kidding me? Like, you can't even get room with your shoulders, but somehow you're about to see how you can do yoga too. So whether you're traveling for work or pleasure, domestically or internationally, it is nice to keep your blood flowing and your mind clear. So next time you're in the air, namaste.
Grabbing a quick drink at your local bar seems to be a cultural norm these days. But what about grabbing a cocktail or a beer at the hospital? Well, the National Institutes of Health Clinical Center uses an in-hospital bar setting to research alcohol dependency and also a drug to treat it. Here's the story.
The lighting that you see in parts of Italy.
Bethesda, Maryland.
Visit the National Institute on Drug Abuse at drugabuse.gov if you or someone you know would like more information on what constitutes alcoholism or addiction.
We are told to wash our vegetables and cook our meat thoroughly, but what are we risking when we don't follow the guidelines? CNN's Elizabeth Cohen reports about the dangers of E. coli and shares some information to reduce your risk of getting sick.
E. coli is a type of bacteria.
Log on to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's website at cdc.gov/E. coli for more info and tips about preventing foodborne illnesses.
There are so many people out there fighting a disease, but the foundation Rock Steady Boxing takes the saying to a more literal level. They offer a specially designed boxing program to help people with Parkinson's disease. Miriam Brown gives us a first-hand look at the benefits of the high-intensity workout.
My name is...
All right, who's next?
Rock Steady Boxing is available in multiple locations across the country. You can log on to rocksteadyboxing.org, get more information there, and also find a location near you. An inspirational softball camp unites veterans and kids on the field to play softball like champions. But what do these players all have in common? It may surprise you. Log on to Wounded Warrior Amputees Softballteam.org. Get more information there on the public charity and also to see upcoming games and events near you.
So, the spicy quesadilla that was so good going down, or the late night snack, seemed like a good idea, but then the choices could have you in some serious pain later on in the night. CNN's Kelly Bowman has some lifestyle changes to suggest here that can help reduce the heartburn.
Do you ever have a burning sensation in your chest, or you seem to be coughing for no reason? Maybe it keeps you up at night.